What's up, guys? It's your boy JD. I hope everyone's doing okay. So today we've got a couple of questions here. Well, we're gonna touch base on one of the more popular questions with the Prius and other hybrid models, just in general. One of the questions that I keep getting from people who don't know anything about hybrids is, how does the hybrid battery charge? And at what point do you need to charge the car? Do you ever charge it? How much does it cost? And what are the pros and cons of having a hybrid car? What tires do you use to get better gas mileage? Does the tire brand or make or model of the tire, does it impact fuel economy in any way, shape, or form? And in short, yes, tires make a huge difference as to how your car performs with regards to miles per gallon and various other things like ride quality, things like that. Do you want your car to be more eco-friendly? Do you want it to be more fuel efficient or more grippy? Do you want it to be more a more engaging drive? What do you want? So it ultimately depends on what you want and how you want your car to feel when you're driving it on the road. So that's just what I have to say in short about the tires. So here on my car, I've got Continental ControlContacts Tour All Season Plus. They are 195 65 R15s. They're mud snow rated. These are okay. They drive really well in the rain. They perform really well in the snow and inclement weather. I have not noticed a decrease in fuel economy or anything like that, but I do notice that they offer better grip in dry weather and in inclement weather such as rain or snow. So I recommend these tires. But if you live in warmer climates such as down south, like Southern California or California, Arizona, things like that, you probably want to stick with something that is a little bit more eco-friendly, because you're probably using the AC a little bit more, so you want to compensate that with more eco-friendly tires that are lighter weight, that are designed and made for cars like this. It says Eco Plus right here. Eco Plus technology, and although that is great, it doesn't always feel like it's offering the best fuel economy, but I guess it doesn't matter. Now, to answer the other question, how does the hybrid battery charge? A lot of people get this wrong. That they have this idea that for a hybrid you have to plug it in and you have to charge it every chance that you get, so that way you can utilize the battery. Now, that's not entirely true. For the plug-in hybrid model cars like what I've got here, the Prius Prime or the Ford Fusion Energy, you will have to plug in your car. You will have to charge it when you're at home or at a charging station like I am right here in Beaverton, or Hillsboro rather. That's what you'll have to do if you want to get if you want to use your hybrid battery. If you want to charge it, they offer that option, I should say, but you don't necessarily have to. I know I kind of confused myself there for a second. For the plug-in cars, you don't have to, but there is an option, is what I'm trying to say. For regular hybrid cars, such as the regular Prius, Ford Fusion hybrid, or other hybrid models like the Toyota Corolla hybrid, Honda Accord hybrid, there's a plethora of different models out there. And if you look over here, actually, that happens to be a Honda Clarity, and I believe that's a hybrid model. You don't have to charge it. It automatically charges by itself when you're driving up and down the road and you're coming to a stop and you're gently pressing on the brake. What happens is the rotors will catch on, or excuse me, the brake calipers will catch on, and it'll catch the heat. Not to catch the heat, but it will generate heat. It will generate electricity as you're slowing down. The electric motors inside the engine will turn a certain way, and it will generate power to the battery. There's a lot of technical stuff, but basically when you're coming to a stop, you're charging the battery. And when you're descending down a hill, you're not using the engine to drive the car. You're using the gravitational pull and the inertia of the vehicle to charge the car, because it's turning the wheels, it's turning a generator. The generator makes power and it goes to the battery, which you can then use to power your car forward. So that's how a hybrid car works. But to assume that all hybrid cars, you have to plug in and charge is not correct. That you have to turn the car into a certain mode to charge the car is not correct. So that's what we have for today. Tires do make a difference, depending on what you want. Do you want something a little bit more eco-friendly, or do you want something more grippy? Do you want something that performs well in this in inclement weather, if you live up in Nebraska or something, or if you live in more inclement weather climates like Canada, things like that, then I would suggest getting winter tires, things like that. But they do impact the ride. For the Continental ControlContacts, these wheels, I don't see an impact, a negative impact in fuel economy. Ride quality has improved. The Toyos that came with this car, they didn't really seem to last very long. Put 15,000 miles on them and had to replace them. I've put more than 20,000 miles on these, and these are looking pretty good. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comment section below. It really does help when you guys subscribe or like my videos or dislike the videos, so that way I can figure out what it is that you guys are looking for, and I can provide these that type of content to you. If there's anything that I can do to improve, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd always want to hear from you guys. If there's something in the videos that I'm doing a little bit differently that you guys are not used to, or that you guys just don't like, please let me know, and I will do my best to improve. If you have any questions about the cars, let me know. If you have any questions about tires or how the car is, it's at about 45,000 miles right now. I'll make another update video when I hit 60,000. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.